Hello and welcome to today's video. This is Forex Productions, and in this video we're going to be going over top 3 forex brokers that you can use in 2020. I want to say that this is based on our own personal opinion, and it is not a sort of a financial advice or a way of telling you what to do with your money. So remember that investing in forex is a whole lot of risks. So having said that, based on our opinion, we're going to go over top 3 forex brokers that you can use in 2020 at the time of recording this video. Alright, so number 3 on the list is markets.com, MarketX. Okay, now it is regulated by SISEC, FCA, ASIC, FCCA, and FSC, and the minimum deposit is $250. The trading platform, it has a web trading platform, MetaTrader 4 and 5, and the maximum leverage for this broker is 1:500. Now the products that they trade on, you have Forex, CFD, crypto, blends, which are CFD funds. Okay, so this is our number 3 on the list for top brokers. Number 2 is Saxo Bank. Regulation FCA, FSA, Danish. Minimum deposit is $600, and the trading platform, you have the web, MetaTrader 4 or 5, and the maximum leverage is also 1:200. And the products they trade on, they have stock, ETF, forex, fund, bond, options, futures, CFD, crypto, and Saxo Select. Alright, so let's go to the number 1 recommended broker according to our own research, AvaTrade. Trade with confidence. Okay, now this has regulation in many countries. It has CBI, Central Bank of Ireland, ASIC, FSA, FSCA, FSC, IIROC, and FFA in Japan. Okay, so it is worldwide regulated. It has one of the highest form of regulation in the market, so it's a very well known broker. Okay, and then the minimum deposit is just $100. So with $100 you can start with this broker. Okay, and the trading platform is web, MetaTrader 4 or 5, and then the maximum leverage also here is 1:400. Okay, which is pretty cool. And then the products they trade on is Forex, CFD, crypto. Okay, now here's the reason why we'll say they are our top broker. Okay, they have several awards, like the most regulated broker European award for 2020, the most innovative CFD broker for 2019 by INTLBM Awards. Okay, and then their best broker for 2019 according to Rankia Awards, best broker for 2019 day trading, and best forex broker 2019 by the European Awards. So with these awards in their shelf, it is our number 1 recommended forex broker. So if you want to start trading with forex, and if you want to start using a broker, check in the link of the description of this video for our number 1 recommended broker. You can follow the link and sign up. It's our affiliate link. Sign up with it, and we appreciate you because it helps to build this channel, and it encourages us to add more value and produce more content in this channel. So I hope you got some value from this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, because I will be dropping videos related to forex trading and quality content like this in future time. Okay, so drop in the comments, let me know what you think about the video. Let me know the broker you're currently using. We can help you check it out and know their status quo. Okay, and let me know what your progress is like in the marketplace. Okay, so I hope you got some content from this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.